Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm out in the woods. We got one of the first snow of the year, and there's about a foot of snow. It's early morning and I'm about to go build a survival shelter to show how easy and simple you can make an effective shelter for winter conditions like this. Only thing I'm going to be using is my knife, a saw, and some cordage. Alright, so I think I found a suitable location right here. I'm just going to be building a lean-to today. So there's a big pine tree right above me, and we're going to be using the side of the pine tree right here to build a sideways lean-to shelter. And we're going to be using spruce and pine boughs for the covering on the sides, and then probably just spruce boughs on the bottom for a little bit of a bed. But first, what I'm going to do is take out my shovel. I brought a collapsible shovel for clearing off some of the snow. So I'm going to take that out and kind of clear the spot of any snow. Alright, so you got this cleared of snow, so I'm going to go and get a branch to lay across from the tree. So I made this tripod here, which I'm going to use as extra support for the beam here. It's right there. We'll push down between this, and we have it pretty secure. Alright, it is time to go get some boughs to put on the bottom of the shelter and on the back. But first, what we have to do is get some dead branches to line up across the back of the shelter for extra support. Alright, so it's time to get the thatching for the back of the shelter. I'm going to start with this fallen tree that is right next to the shelter. I chose this on purpose so I would have my resources pretty close to me, and that's actually a really smart thing to do in a survival situation, is look around for multiple resources around where you're going to set up your camp and then choose where you want to set up. So there's actually a creek down there that I'm going to go in a little bit and purify some water, and I'm going to make some tea and just take a break after I finish the shelter, because it's really important to stay hydrated when you are building stuff in the woods, especially during winter. Although you might not seem thirsty, you actually are starting to get dehydrated, so it's a smart thing to bring out a water bottle with water, or a water bottle with your filter, knowing that you have a source close to you. Alright guys, so I got some more spruce boughs. Actually, these ones that I harvested from right here were actually pine boughs, but I just went to a spruce tree over there and got a ton more. So that will cover the rest of the shelter on the back to prevent a lot of holes. And then it'll also be a bed. So it'll be kind of a springy spruce bough bed for the natural shelter. Here is the finished shelter. We got the spruce bough bed. There's the fork or half tripod that is leaning against the tree with the main support beam going down, and then these logs for the main like rib structure, and then on the back we have all of the spruce boughs that are for protection from the wind and rain and snow. This tree will work as, I think, 2 or 3 posts for the opposite side. Well, I think I'm going to make the entrance like right around here. So I'm gonna have to, that's probably wide enough. Maybe right there is the best option. Yeah. Alright guys, so I have the back frame of the shelter completed. I actually don't even need to tie down these because they sit right between the original posts. Well, most of them. So yeah, these are in between. I might even get some more for down at the bottom. But for now I think that's good. I'm going to now go get some boughs back at the tree where we harvested last time and continue to do some thatching for this new face of the shelter. It's starting to look like an A-frame. So it's actually pretty comfy, I have to admit. So I brought out my outdoor mattress, my blow-up mattress, and my blow-up pillow for camping. I think this could work. I could even close off this area right here at night for more protection from the wind from all sides. But the entrance works really great. It's small, but that's what you want for a kind of shelter like this. But yeah, it's pretty cool. If you guys enjoyed this shelter building series, make sure to stay tuned for another video like this soon. I think I'm going to be doing an overnighter in this in a few days because I just tested it and it's actually pretty comfy and it's not too small. So we're going to do an overnighter in this pretty soon. And yeah guys, thank you for the support and have a great day. Bye.